Trending Zimbabwe. Oriyano, Sir Calaz and Sunshine, Madenha Denga, official music video, 2025. Zimdancehall is a genre that thrives on collaboration, and when three distinct talents come together, the result is often something special. That's exactly what's happening with Madenha Denga, the powerful new track from Oriyano, Sir Calaz, and Sunshine, complete with an engaging official music video. This collaboration is generating significant buzz, showcasing a blend of lyrical prowess, energetic delivery, and heartfelt messaging that resonates deeply with audiences. A powerful trio, Oriyano, a rising star known for his emotive vocals and catchy melodies, teams up with the seasoned Sir Calaz, a certified Zimdancehall general whose lyrical depth and commanding presence are legendary. Adding a unique flavor to the mix is Sunshine, bringing her own distinct style and vocal contribution that rounds out the trio perfectly. This combination of established artistry and fresh talent creates a dynamic synergy that is the backbone of Madenha Denga. Madenha Denga, a call to the heavens. The title, Madenha Denga, translates to something akin to challenging heaven, or provoking God, often used in the context of asking for divine intervention or questioning fate. The song itself dives into themes of struggle, perseverance, and faith, a common thread in Zimdancehall that speaks to the everyday realities of many. The artists deliver poignant lyrics, reflecting on life's challenges while maintaining a hopeful outlook, seeking strength and guidance from a higher power. It's a track that offers both solace and motivation. The official music video, bringing the message to life. The official music video for Madenha Denga is a crucial component of its success. Directed by director Leo V, known for his keen eye and ability to capture raw emotion, the video visually amplifies the song's powerful message. The visuals are thoughtfully crafted, often featuring imagery that depicts various aspects of daily life and struggle, from humble beginnings to moments of quiet contemplation. The artists are presented authentically, delivering their verses with conviction, their expressions reflecting the weight and hope carried within the lyrics. The editing is smooth, allowing the narrative to unfold naturally, drawing viewers deeper into the song's emotional landscape. The use of natural light and evocative settings further enhances the video's impact, making it feel grounded and relatable. Why it's resonating. Madenha Denga is trending for several compelling reasons. Lyrical depth. The song's thoughtful lyrics and its exploration of faith and struggle strike a chord with many listeners, offering a sense of shared experience. Star power collaboration. The combination of Oriyano's fresh appeal, Sir Calaz's veteran status, and Sunshine's unique touch creates a broad appeal across different fan bases. Authentic storytelling. Both the song and the video tell an authentic story that is deeply rooted in the Zimbabwean experience, fostering a strong connection with the audience. High-quality production. From the crisp audio to the professional visual direction, the overall production quality is excellent, making it a polished and enjoyable experience. Emotional impact. The track's ability to evoke strong emotions, from reflection to hope, ensures it stays with listeners long after it finishes. The verdict. Madenha Denga is more than just another Zimdancehall track, it's a testament to the genre's power to address profound human experiences while still delivering infectious rhythms. Oriyano, Sir Calaz, and Sunshine have delivered a powerful collaboration that is both musically engaging and lyrically significant. The official music video beautifully complements this message, making Madenha Denga a must-watch and a must-listen for anyone seeking authentic and impactful music. This track solidifies the artist's positions in the vibrant Zimdancehall landscape and is sure to remain a topic of conversation for weeks to come.